Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the hair initially. Well, shout out to Kaylee because she recorded this clip. I have three 26-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal, and they are straight. And if you look at the hairline, there's not much to pluck, and there's not much I had to pluck anyway, so that's really, really nice and good. Look at Kay's hand. Alright, so now these are my hands, and we set up the plastic bags on the floor because I did this in my room. I didn't feel like being in my hot garage, and I'm over here writing my name with the hair dye. I'm such a head ass, I can't stand myself. But anyway, I'm going in with the Kiss titanium hair dyes, and these have keratin in them and argan oil, so they moisturize the hair as well rather than damage it and, you know, strip the moisture. I am using the shade or the color Pink Petal, and like I said, for the frontal later on in the video, I use the Bigen or Biggin hair color, the watercolor that you gotta do, in the color or the shade 45 Chocolate. So yeah, enjoy the rest of that. I didn't do too much. I just showed you guys what I did on one bundle and moved on. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video and stuff like that. Alright, you guys, so here's how the hair came out. The color is here. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't know why I'm bouncing like that, you guys, but anyway, I'm cutting off the lace, and I already plucked the frontal already. I have so many videos of me plucking my frontal, so that's that. But I did want to talk to you guys about the coloring situation. So lately I've been like experiencing this thing, like when I try to color my roots, I try to color the actual hair color, like the pink, after or while I'm doing it. But I'm gonna try this new method where I color the whole frontal the pink color and then go in with the root after, because I literally had hot pink hair, you guys. The frontal was hot pink. It did not match the bundles at all whatsoever. I was so annoyed that I just went to sleep, and Kaylee had to, like, you know, give me hope and start on another wig or something, because it was just so annoying. But the bundles took the color super well. It didn't bleed super bad. It bleeded normally, and the hair was smooth. And, you know, I did use the Kiss colors in the color Pink Petal, and then I used the Bigen or Bigen, I don't know how you say it, but dye in the color 45 Chocolate. So that's that. Now here I'm going to use my black clear got to be gel, and I was on live here, so if I'm like jamming out and bobbing my head, that's why. But I am applying this on my hairline, and then I'm gonna use my spritz and blow dryer. So I'll let you guys watch that. I'm not gonna talk too much, but as far as the hair, it actually didn't shed that much, you guys. Like, I'm looking at my floor right now, and there's not a lot of pink hair on the floor. Usually I could be having, you know, whatever hair I'm working with, if it sheds all over the floor. So this one for the most part was pretty dope. It was pretty good. You do see some blonde streaks here and there, like in the frontal, but again, that's because I had to like boil the hair and like get that hot pink color out, and this is what I ended up getting, and I just made it work. You know what I'm saying? You gotta finesse it. I'm not perfect, and which is why I want to show you guys. But hold on, what lace? What lace though? I'll wait. Troll me in the comments. Try it. Back to schedule programming. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of that, and I'll come back when I feel like anything else needs to be said. But for the most part, we just gonna blow dry, make baby hairs, lay them down, and get into the makeup. Okay. Alright, so I'm going in with my BioSilk Silk Therapy because the hair is still a little bit damp, and I want to give it a little bit more moisturization, if that's a word, or I want to moisturize it more and get it ready for the blow drying and the flat ironing process. Now, you don't got to use a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way with it. Do not weigh your hair down to where it's stiff when you move with your neck and your hair literally stiff following you. That we don't do that. So as you see, I'm blow drying it here. It was blow drying really nicely. The hair is thick, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is pretty thick. I had 3 bundles of 26 and a 20-inch frontal, and the 26 came down pretty long, and it was just really thick. And I love that about 613 hair, because you know, people assume that 613 hair is gonna be, you know, thinner and shed more, but this one's the complete opposite. So I definitely like that about Nana hair. Nana. I don't know. But I just wanted to stop by and tell you guys that when I get to the baby hair part, some of my baby hairs, because I didn't bring the roots down too far, they had like pink tips at the end, so I just finessed it with some L'Oreal telescopic mascara, you guys. I just put some mascara on the baby hairs, and then I slicked them down with the gel and tied them back down again. So that was really it. And oh, also I used my lot of body foaming mousse to set my hair down, like to make it more flatter. So yeah, enjoy this too, and I'll be back.